Right, I'm with my colleague Stavros here. We're just going to show you one of our fully equipped fans. This is what we normally, the kit we normally take with us for like an end of tenancy deep clean. Got the carpet cleaning machine here. This is, this is a mid-sized machine, so it's got a built-in heater. It's got a pretty powerful vacuum motor, and it's got a pretty powerful pump as well. And this is great for small to mid-size jobs, either residential or commercial. It's light enough for an operator to get up the stairs. We do have heavier machines and bigger machines, but they're quite difficult to manage for a single operator. So these are great for the for cleaning houses and flats. They really give a really good result, but they are manageable, more so than some of our bigger machines. Right, let's go around the other side. Right, Stav, you can see here that container, it's got pure water in. Now, we use that mainly for like window cleaning. We generally don't use ladders anymore. This here is pure water. It's got no impurities, or very few impurities, so we can use it to wash down a window and window frame, and it will dry to leave a sparkling finish. If we use tap water, in this area anyway, tap water has a lot of impurities. It's got a lot of minerals in it, and that will dry on the glass, leaving spots, little white spots. So we can't use tap water for cleaning, so we have to use pure water. We have here this item here. If you can point that out, Stav. Right, that is a backpack, and that's what we use. It's okay, you don't need to take it out, but that's what we use. We put the pure water in there. It's got a pump in there, so it will pump the water up to the window via. You've got a brush there and a pole, and there's the water solution hose there that's pumped up to the window, and that washes down the window. So that's the modern way of actually cleaning windows. We don't often use ladders and squeegees so much these days, except on the ground floor. But that's the modern approach to actually doing things. In the back there, you can see there's our carpet cleaning bag. So we've got a number of products and bits of kit here. In fact, I think in total we've probably got about 10 or 15 different specialist carpet cleaning products and spotting agents. We don't use them all on a typical job, but it depends on the type of carpet that we encounter. But we do bring a pretty good range of products with us when we undertake a clean. Right, this here is what's called like a carpet cleaning wand, and that tool is actually used to actually clean the carpets, and that is great for large areas of carpet. Water is jetted into the carpet under pressure. There are some jets on the bottom here. Just turn that around there. So we've got some high pressure jets there. That water is jetted into the carpet under pressure, and then a vacuum motor extracts the dirty water. So this is really a really effective piece of kit here, and generally for cleaning carpets we'll take something like that along with us. Right. Also, on every clean we have towels, microfibers, scourers. So we bring those on every job. Pretty essential. That's pretty essential and basic. We got some various bits of PPE here, including gloves and overshoes, plastic bags as well, eyewear, protective wear, that sort of thing. So that is all we take that on every single job as well. And also we've got, this is a miscellaneous drawer. We got some brushes and some dusters, and some basic tools as well. Sometimes we need to unscrew things or secure things, so that's just our miscellaneous drawer there. Here we have our large toolbox, and if we need to carry equipment or stuff into a property, we generally make sure we've got everything we need in here. We've got a number of scrapers that we might use. These are window scrapers, but we also use them for scraping other purposes, other surfaces as well, providing that it's not going to scratch. Also, we just got some miscellaneous bits of kit. These are light bulbs. Sometimes we get to a property, there's no light bulbs there, so we might have to change that. There's a bit of glue. There might be some minor repairs we have to do as well. We've got some more tools in here as well. And again, this is just a range of some of the products that we might bring with us on a typical job. We've got oven cleaner here, degreaser, strong descaler. This is a hydrochloric acid descaler, so the areas we're cleaning, they often have a lot of heavy limescale. This will completely shift that limescale. It's a very strong product, that. Also, we've got things like bleach-based products as well for mould. We tend to encounter a lot of mould on cleans as well. So this is just a selection of some of the products that we carry, but these are probably our main items that we'll need for a clean. But if we need something more specialist, then at our base in the office, we've got even more products should we need them. But this is fairly typical for a typical sort of normal sort of clean. In here, well, we also have spare blades as well for scraping. The vacuum cleaner is not here, but we'll also carry a vacuum cleaner as well. This is a fairly sort of typical setup for a deep clean. Sometimes we bring a bit more, depending on what we need, sometimes a bit less, but this is fairly typical. It's enough for a couple of operators. We've got enough kit here for a couple of operators for a full day to do a deep clean, maybe a couple of houses or flats. Okay.